Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see the detailed user experience review video or opinion video after a year. See here, I'll show you the date. See, 1 year ago, exactly 1 year ago, we did the unboxing of this Orient Electric Ujala Prime BLDC fan, which is a 5-star BLDC fan. In this video, I'll tell you the details and how is the user experience about this fan. See, this is exactly after a year, so you can get the real opinion or the real user experience on this fan. This is the brand new fan on the day. Let me just turn off this first. Yeah. So first of all, I'll talk about are there any issues during this 1 year. Even the batteries were not changed, so the same batteries from the day of installation till date, the same batteries are also not replaced, and the fan got zero issues, no issues at all. And you can observe slightly there is dust. One, maybe you can say slightly disadvantage is with the choosing of color. It will attract dust, you can see, that is one thing. And coming to the fan speed, without pressing this on button we cannot operate this. I felt this is slightly not a disadvantage, but it would be good if it is directly operated through numbers itself. First we need to on the power button. Whenever there is operation, there is a light symbol instead of beep sound, so people who don't want distraction like each and every operation without the beep, just there is light indicating. Okay, that is one of the biggest plus of this fan. Coming to the speed and RPM and everything, I'll be adding those details on the screen, you can just check. Let me click on the speed like boost. Here there is an option called boost. You can say this as the speed number 6 or the maximum speed, and the airflow is really good because I do have another BLDC fans like Polycab and also other brands like Activa and Cool fans. Out of all these, one thing I observed the uniqueness here is, let me switch off this, the blade width here, it is a bit large, so I'll show you the comparison also. See, this is the Polycab BLDC fan, and observe the width of the fan blade. Okay, and see the width of the fan blade here is slightly bigger, so people who likes bigger width of the and bigger head also, the main head is also bigger and the look is decently good. It looks premium if it is properly cleaned. Once the video is done, I'll be cleaning this, but just want to show you the natural 1 year experience video. I just kept it like this, and yeah, there are no issues. And the LED, for everything we need to turn on this plan, and LED I'm not satisfied because it has the light but not that great, I can say. But airflow is really good, the timer is working. And one more thing, there is no sleep option. That is the biggest minus I felt personally. Means if you install this on the bedroom, there is no sleep option, and I purchased this fan for 2600 rupees, but at this budget it is really good. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments, so I'll be happy to answer you. And till now I have installed this in the living room. For living room without sleep option also, this is perfectly good. The airflow is good.